Hi, my beautiful souls. My name is Marian LaSalle. I'm co-creator of the Creative Content Crusaders.com, and I'm here to talk with you today about a free online video editor that lets you create stunning videos with ease. You can add effects, filters, text, and music to your videos. So I'm going to list off just some of the features, but I'm just getting started with this software and I'm so excited. I'm excited to bring it to you. I'm excited to use it myself. Here are some of those features that make this software so great. First of all, it's free. Yes, it's free to use. And this software is completely free with no subscription fees or hidden cost. Now that's important because a lot of places that make software, they might have a free version, but then, you realize that you really need to upgrade because that's where all the good stuff is. Not this one. This one is free and it's easy to use. This amazing software designed to be easy to use. So it was made by somebody like me instead of a geek that doesn't understand that it has to be designed to use even for beginners. The interface is clean and it's intuitive. And if you join our community, you have us to help you get started sharing your passions with the world. That's right, because video is awesome and people love it. Now, they do have some very powerful components. They offer a wide range of features, including special effects, filters, text, even music. They have some templates too. This means that you can truly create unique and creative videos. Now, this is, in my opinion, the best part. It's an online editor. Can I say this software is online? Okay, which means that you can use it anywhere, from anywhere with an internet connection. It's perfect for people who want to create videos on the go, and you don't have to download anything onto your computer so it won't slow it down. Let's face it, if you have to download a bunch of stuff onto your computer, or you're using a PC that does not allow you to download things, it can be a real drag. So how do you use it? Well, this fantastic software is simple. You just upload your video to the website, which is, like I said, as long as you have internet connection, you can just upload your video. Then you can add effects, filters, text, and music. And once you're happy with your video, you can then export it in high quality. Okay, it's very, very nice. I really, really enjoy it. I've been using video editor softwares for a long time, and some of them are just ridiculously hard to learn and to manipulate. So it takes you hours to do one simple video. Not with this program. This is a great tool for anyone who wants to create stunning videos. It's free to use, easy to use, and it's very powerful. If you're looking for a way to create amazing videos, I highly recommend that you check it out. Now, if you ask me, the best way to do that is in a community like mine. And so all you have to do, if you want to learn more about it, is visit us at our website, which is creativecontentcrusaders.com. We also have a Facebook page, same name, Creative Content Crusaders on Facebook. It's a group. Or you could go straight to the website, which is vidmix.app, vidmix.app. But then you wouldn't have this wonderful community to work with, and you wouldn't have me training you. So thanks again for watching. I hope this video has helped you learn more about creating the videos that you want to for free. And if you have any questions, please leave them in the comments down below or come over to creativecontentcreators.com. I look forward to seeing you. Bye for now. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah.